Guys, welcome back to another video. Today me and Kaylin are going to install our Mishimoto oil cooler for the 350Z. I've had this for about a month. I just haven't got around to doing it, especially now. It's going right now. It sucks, to be quite honest, but today we're going to do oil right now. I also got some McDonald's for Kaylin and I, and we're going to eat real quick, and then we're going to get quick into this install.
Damn, I expected to reach something all the way on the back of that?
Yeah, I was about to tell you, yeah. So in order to do this, you need somebody to dig the hand right here.
That's fucking gay.
Yeah. Here, we can use like double-sided tape and just tape it to your finger. Yeah, you do. That's what I used.
This what you use? Use a different one. See?
Oh, a small one.
Okay. So I need just this and this. So I got
these extra hardware with the kit, but honestly we're only using 2 of these.
It's this one and this one.
Yeah.
Man, that is such a bitch to get to. Yeah, you have to go from the bottom.
Yeah.
Dude, my fucking pushing game is gonna be weak. Can that extension? Yeah, the extension, yeah. What the hell? That one will be different. Yeah, that one we can't really get to. Okay, flip it around. Just other hand. Yeah, there's a beam right there.
You see it?
Doesn't even fit, huh?
The black one. There's 2 left. If you use those 2 black ones, how many do we have left? 2. Yeah, these are for that.
But then they're different size bolts. They're different looking bolts.
Yeah, these. Yeah, it's these.
It has to be these 2 holes, dude. These 2. It has to be those 2 holes.
Sir, I'll hold this. Hold up so it can fall.
I'm just going to ream self tappers.
Let's see. I could try to get this.
But what size? We can't really get something to hold on to the back of the nut.
Let's see.
What angle do you have to get into the nut? Yeah, there's something. It's gonna be too big. That's what I'm saying. If I find a big enough bolt, I can just self tap it.
Yeah, fuck it.
Yeah. So let's tighten this one hard then. Unless I drill a hole. Unless I drill a hole for this one and this one, because you can fit a nut back there.
Okay.
All right, let's do that then. So we'll just have this bolted up real quick, so it holds by itself.
All right, now we're gonna install the switch plate, which should be pretty much. You want to make sure the switch plate's at an angle. That's what I've been hearing. You want.
Just leave it hand tight. Let's tighten this first. Okay, so if we need to angle it a different way.
Well, that took forever. So we didn't use the pre-drilled fucking thing because it didn't work. So Caitlin went ahead and drilled his own little holes using the ones that came with. So we did that, and then let's see. This was a pain in the ass. I had no idea how that it was like a whole gyro shit. I didn't know how to do that. Caitlin did that. We ran it all the way up top. We zip tied everything. I zip tied it to the subframe. Now we're just gonna put oil. It recommends put about half a quart more than usual, just because you are running a oil cooler, and then you're pretty much done. All right, Caitlin.
Yep.
Got the Fram on there.
The Fram,
What's going on, guys? I decided make a little short video on the side just because I'm almost positive any good details that you need. So for this Mishimoto oil coolers install, you do need a 10 mil, 14 mil for the drain. Once you drain the oil, let it sit there for a little bit, and then your Mishimoto does come with a adapter. It didn't work for us, so we just made our own hole on the adapter. And then we just because there's like V's going through the radiator support, what makes it hard to hold the socket. So we did that, and then we installed it. I've seen people install the oil cooler backwards. I mean, more power to you. If you want to do that, you could do that. Do some kill the hype stuff, but we decided to run it M being an M, and then the wires going up instead of going down. And then I also use zip ties to zip tie it to the radiator support just so it doesn't sag. I'm actually gonna keep on working on that. Probably try to bring it up more so it doesn't you know, bottom out. And then the switch plate, you put the switch plate onto the oil filter, and then you screw that on with the little socket that holds in both of them together onto the oil filter. Hey guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thanks so much. I appreciate you guys. If you guys didn't already know or can't tell, these videos are old. They're really old actually, but I'm just now getting the time to edit them and upload them, so just heads up, the next couple of videos are old. It's been a rough year for me and Koba, so that's why, you know, the very late upload. Just want to let you guys know 2020 is going to be a good year for me and Koba and all my cars, and Caitlin. We're going to hopefully do some big changes, hopefully get the Super running as well, finally drift the Z, and I got another car that's coming, but won't be coming until later, probably like a couple of years. I have to wait for like 2-3 years. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or any advice, feel free to drop it down below in the comment section, or even hit me up on Instagram. Not really active on Instagram, but that's another goal of mine for 2020, to be more active, update people. And yeah, once again, thanks for hanging out, my boy. He's like, Dad, what are you doing? Alright, catch you guys later. Love you.